Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I got this one-pack solar floodlight, and I'm going to mount it on to a shed that I'm building. But let's see what we got. So we got the instructions. And this is great because I don't have electric to the shed, so being solar powered, this will be super helpful. So you got a solar panel that comes up. You got both the side lights to really illuminate the area, and then this is fully adjustable so you can get the right angle, and it has a quick mount bracket, so you put a screw on each side. Screws are included, as well as a remote, which will come in handy when trying to program this. Anyway, let's get it up and mounted. Okay, so that's the top of the peak of the shed, so I'm going to mount this right underneath this little mock hayloft door. And I just started the screws, so now I'm going to basically power them in. Alright, nice, quick, and easy. And then the back of this basically just slides. Let me open that up a little bit better. Basically just kind of like slides in back there. Sits. Now we just angle this down a little bit. Make sure that that'll light up pretty good. And then that is the motion sensor there. And then that is the solar panel. And we'll just make it a little bit kind of wider so it illuminates the area pretty good. And let's wait until the lights go out and see how it works. Okay, so that is the light. Here's the remote. So let's turn it on, see what it looks like. And that's pretty bright even during the day. So pretty cool. And we'll put it on mode 1. So at nighttime, when it senses motion, it should turn on. All right, stay tuned. All right, so it's not super dark yet, but I want to kind of get a good feel of how this light is working. So let's see how close we get before that turns on. Yeah, right there. So a pretty good distance. And then let's see how it lights up the surrounding area. So pretty good. So we'll wait till it's really dark out and test it again. Okay, so walking towards the shed with the light, and you can tell it's pretty dark out. It's got a little bit of a hue going on. So let's see how close we get. And then boom, it comes right on. And you can see how bright this area is. It lights up this whole area. Really nice. And that's Sadie barking. Sadie, be a good girl. Okay, so that's what it looks like from afar. What's up, Sadie? All right, let's see it go out. Takes about 20 seconds. And then there, lights out. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.